Hello there. Hey, it's February. It's Black History Month. So I'm reminded that a while ago, Martin Luther King made his impassioned speech, his I Have a Dream speech, that inspired courage, hope for the country, and made many Americans start to think about what was important to them, their dreams, their hopes. One of the most common ones is actually owning a new home, having their own piece of land, a roof over their head, some place to call their own where they can grow and have a family. My name is John Williams with the Williams team. And if you want to know how to navigate this market of buying a home in today's overheated markets, give me a call, 562-787-1444. And let me give you some tips on how to navigate this market and how we can do better. So tip number one, how can I better understand the process and how much can I afford? Well, the process of buying a home, it's not one you want to enter to lightly, that's for sure. You need to decide on a couple of key things, like how long you plan on living in the area. Are the school districts important to you? What are they like? What kind of commute are you going to have to work? And how much you can afford to spend. Now, keep in mind, before you start this process, you'll also need to apply for a loan. And the lenders will evaluate several factors connected to your financial track record, one of which is going to be your credit history. Now, they'll want to see how well you've been able to minimize past debts, make sure you've been paying off your credit card, car loans, if you've got any student loans, things like that. Basically, what's your financial situation and has it changed recently? So be sure to discuss that with your lender as well. Now, most agents have loan officers that they trust and they'll provide referrals for you. So that's an easy one. On tip number two, how much do I need for a down payment? Well, that's another great question. In addition to knowing how much you can afford on your monthly mortgage payment, understanding how much you'll need for a down payment is another critical step. Now, thankfully, there are many options and resources out there, especially for first-time home buyers. As you're entering the market, that'll potentially reduce the amount you may think you need for that down payment. First-time homeowners, buyer's assistance programs, and whatnot. Now, if you're concerned about saving for a down payment, start small, but be consistent. A little bit each month goes a long way. You want to jumpstart your savings by automatically adding a portion of your monthly paycheck to a separate savings account or a house fund. Now, before you know it, you'll have enough for a down payment if you've disciplined yourself and you've been thoughtful about that process. You're on your way. Now, tip number three, savings takes time. Now, you want to practice living on a budget. Now, as tempting as it is to pass that extra time on the couch you may be spending at home during COVID-19, well, we need a little retail therapy. Putting that extra money towards your down payment will help you accelerate your path to that homeownership. That's important. It's the little things that count. So you want to start by trying to live on a slightly tighter budget. Now, if you aren't doing so already, do that. It's like skipping that extra coffee or that meal. But you want to save your down payment and help you pay down other debts to improve your credit score. Now, while you don't need to cut out all the extras, I'm not asking you to be crazy. You want to enjoy your current lifestyle. You just want to make smarter choices and limiting your spending in the areas where you can slim down. That'll make a huge difference. So, if homeownership is on your dream list this year, take a good look at what you can prioritize to help you get there. Create a plan. To determine the steps you should be taking to start that process, hey, why not give me a call, John Williams from the Williams team, at 562-787-1444 and start packing. Now, do me a favor, make a comment below and tell me which tip resonated with you, made the most difference. If you like that, click subscribe, give me a comment, give me a thumbs up. Anything will do, I appreciate it. So anyway, I'm just enjoying this beautiful walk on the side of my neighborhood. Hopefully everybody's enjoying their time together. everybody's safe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Thanks, guys.